In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the color picker in Affinity Designer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to choose and apply colors to shapes with confidence so your designs look intentional and cohesive. First, go to the Affinity Designer app and open the document you want to work on. Give yourself a moment to get oriented so you know where your tools and panels are. If your workspace looks a bit different, that's normal. Workspaces can be customized, but the controls we'll use are consistent. Next, look to the right side of the interface and click on the Shape tool. It may appear as a rectangle, ellipse, or another shape icon depending on the last one used. If you see a small arrow on the tool icon, press and hold to reveal more shape options. This is where you can access rectangles, circles, stars, and other common shapes. Now select a shape from that menu, click and drag on your canvas to place it. If you want a perfect square or circle, hold the Shift key while you drag. Release the mouse when the shape looks close to the size you want. You can always refine it in the next step. Adjust the shape to fit your layout. Use the corner handles to resize, and the side handles to stretch it horizontally or vertically. Rotate using the on-canvas rotation handle if you need an angle. Keep an eye on alignment guides as you move the shape so it sits neatly in your design. Small tweaks here save time later, especially if you're matching a layout or grid. With your shape ready, look over to the right again and you'll see the color picker in the color panel. You'll also notice two targets, one for fill and one for stroke. Make sure fill is active if you want to change the inside color of the shape. If you're planning to color the outline, switch to stroke instead. Finally, select a color. You can drag around the hue and saturation areas to find the right tone and adjust the brightness slider to fine-tune it. If your brand uses a specific value, you can type a hex code or tweak RGB sliders for precision. You can also use the eyedropper within the color panel to sample a color from anywhere on your canvas, which is perfect for matching photos or existing elements. Once selected, the color applies instantly to your shape. If you need a contrast check, quickly toggle between fill and stroke to make sure your outline and interior colors complement each other. That's it. Clean, quick, and reliable color selection in Affinity Designer using the color picker.